Did you hear the thud on that impact? Oh my goodness.
Smashing the head into an unforgiving surface.
Brutal offense.
Oh, that'll rattle the insides of your head.
Dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball.
Just disheartening to see Mysterio struggle here. And Mysterio needs to fight back.
Manages to reverse it.
Mysterio finally creates some more offense for himself.
The U-turn Mysterio needed in this match. Could have been that right there.
Oh, good gravy. Thrown into the corner with a little something extra. Oof.
Oh! Ricocheting off the turnbuckles. Prying their opponent's arm out. Carefully measured double stomp. Oh my God, to the spine. That'll make your legs go numb. Someone's in trouble. Battling to get back into the ring.
He got it! He got it! He won the Royal Rumble!
Here is your winner, Rey Mysterio!
This was the perfect conclusion to a truly exhilarating Royal Rumble match.